In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for and set up the Klarna Card using the Klarna app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and what to expect during the application, all in a clear, simple flow. First, download and open the Klarna app. You can find it in your device's app store. Just make sure it's the official Klarna app and that you're on the latest version. A stable internet connection helps the process run smoothly. If you already have Klarna, open it and sign in. If you're new, you may need to create an account, follow the prompts, and only provide the information the app requests. Keep your personal details consistent with your official documents to avoid verification delays. Next, head to the Wallet tab. This is where Klarna keeps your payment methods and cards. You'll typically find Wallet on the bottom navigation bar. If you don't see it right away, give the app a second to load or check that you're in a supported region. Now, tap Klarna Card and start your application. You might see a button labeled Get Started or Apply. If the Klarna Card option isn't visible, it may not be available for your account or region yet. In that case, check for app updates or revisit later. From here, follow the on-screen steps and submit your application. The process is fully digital. You may be asked to confirm personal details, agree to terms, and verify your identity. Klarna may run a soft credit check, and in some regions, a hard check may be required. A soft check won't impact your credit score, while a hard check can in certain jurisdictions. Klarna will indicate which applies before you submit, so review carefully. Double-check your information, then submit. What should you expect next? Approval usually takes just a few minutes. You'll see updates in the app and may receive a notification. In some cases, Klarna might need a bit more time or ask for additional information. Simply follow the prompts if that happens. Once approved, you'll receive a virtual card right away in the Wallet tab. You can add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay with the Add to Wallet option and follow the prompts from your device's wallet. After that, you can use your virtual card for online purchases and in-store where your mobile wallet is accepted. If you ever need to manage your card, return to the Wallet tab to view your card details, freeze or unfreeze the card, and review spending and repayments. And that's it. Download and open Klarna, go to Wallet, tap Klarna Card to start, then follow the on-screen steps and submit.